girl be say everybody just dey look like loose girl wey don gawk, girl wey don comot for line, girl wey don frustrate, girl wey no get level, girl wey e don dey depressed, girl wey no get any use of life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Boss Lady TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time, depending on any time you just come across my video for the first time and you never subscribe. Do me well by hitting that subscribe button and put on the notification bell so you go dey get many of my ogbonge matter as I dey drop am kpakan, you go dey watch am chankan. So guys, today I don come again with another shortalized ogbonge matter wey be say e dey waka today for social media. Now say make I come give am to una because this one na congratulatory warning to our beautiful sister Akia Queen. Hey, una know am na the only Akia Queen wey be say e say e na ashawo wey no book. This na the babe wey be say e no dey deny her own say e no be ashara. E say na olosho. For im own olosho, im own get class, e get grade, e get size. You know na shoe get size. Oyentago. So this our beautiful sister today, I wan come say happy marriage life. Hey. For this time wey be say you come take marry, for this our era wey we take know you for social media too. We all na your social media in-laws. Now we be the Oka Egbe and Baba Egbe for Mama Egbe for inside this your bodo marriage when you enter. So my darling people, you go begin to say Akia Queen congratulations message because e no easy to do olosho. Come even carry the crown of olosho for her. Say now you know the way they talk, you go say in na olosho when they go class. E na ashawo wey no book, e na ashawo wey dey speak grammar, e na ashawo wey no when dey enter class. Na ashawo wey dey read bible. Eja, you never hear am before. Na in hand na dey for dey see am. Iziembe Ogbede, that is the person wey I dey talk of. Una know am na. She come give me one thing like I come and say okay, I can't wish her happy marriage life, like congratulations message, like trust me. And I can't get something when you get me more interesting for this marriage because we all see and say she carry front, she get belle this very period. Like I was thinking, say up on all this social media life when she live, all the life when people feel say no get yawo, but somebody was there who still love her. Oh yes, this Akia Queen make the second person when I don't see for this social media space. The first person na Angela Wonsun, when they for Facebook, when they answer, when they call her husband her second god on earth. He say after God in heaven, her husband and her God on earth. Even that girl, one time inside this year, BBC don't even interview her. She's a very famous and global person. So this same girl, her lifestyle that time, she dey call herself digital omanje, as Akia Queen dey call herself ashawo wey enter class. So this digital omanje, I don dey follow her for long, but I no too dey gbadu her pattern, her lifestyle, her own kind of person. But in as much as she's like that, don't be say I hate am. No, I be a fan. Then I really like her to dey watch, but her character and her pattern no be my type. She dey always talk about this Akia. That is, she dey talk about kpekus, cassava, how to do kpekus, how to do cassava, how to do this, how to do that, many things. But everything about her platform is just like this blessing CEO. The third person. But right now that one is still single on a single mother level. Blessing CEO on her own side now, relationship therapist then she be, and she's very good and perfect in what she's doing. Also with this Angela Onwusu, Angela na the kind girl be say everybody just dey look like loose girl, girl wey don gog, girl wey don comot for line, girl wey don frustrate, girl wey no get, e no get level, girl wey e don dey depressed, girl wey no get any use of life. I believe say as una dey watch me na 98% of who know exactly this girl wey I dey talk about, this very picture wey una dey watch for the screen right now, una go know say this girl, I no believe say any man with his right senses was ever thinking to have her as a wife. Even if anybody go now, just go do, touch, do. I no believe say any man go really love her to that extent. But do you know that her marriage was blessed? Her marriage then was one in town. She married 2 years ago in 2019. Yeah, then she still married. And she gave birth in 2021 this year. Nobody ever expected, and she married the best to her. I say her husband the best, not be say I dey her house. Why? Because the guy, he dey present himself with her wife. You know dey hide for back of camera. You know dey say if your wife wan show am, me say no. Even Angela no dey make up. She no dey make up. She no dey dress. When you say girl dey dress, she no dey dress. She no dey make up. She no care for all those kind material things, but she hold the pepper rest. She get the money, but she no dey think of, she no dey dey for all those flash things. But the husband love her. He say when he know her husband, she don about talk many times about her marriage story, her relationship beginning of when she know her husband. This same Facebook platform na for know am, but today e come be the husband when she dey address her second god, say na her god on earth. And to the best of our knowledge, we when dey see them for social media, we know say even if she dey fake some, for instance, because fake life don too much everywhere, but in every allegation there must be an element of truth. So these are small spices dey like she's comfortable in the marriage. And this Ekia queen again come surprise me, because many people no fit say Ekia queen go even marry. No, many people no fit say Ekia queen go see man. Many people no fit say Ekia queen go see who go talk to her except to do. But today Ekia queen, she got engaged. After engagement, she come tell us say she don get belle. Today she don do marriage. Like, trust me darling, no fit say your own don finish as a woman. Ekia queen, to start with, she is a single mother. She has one daughter. Yes, she get one daughter. Ekia queen today, she is happily now and she's married. Tomorrow she go born safety and sound by God grace. Wetin be that your stress wey you feel say abeg man no come, I wan just take my life. Oh, I no fit. Oh, I no fit. No, life no be your own. No be you create am. God give you to use. Use it wisely. Because nobody ever thinks say there are many responsible girls when dey inside our social media, many responsible women dey inside social media, but among all, even single mothers wey no get husband, inside all, why Ekia queen? If a man can choose Ekia queen even one time, I don't know how to put am, when e be like blue, e come out for outside say see wetin she go do with one Senigodo ni wiamukamka. Everybody see am say e jogodo that guy for that video. Me, I watched the video and I believe say many people watched that video, but a man still married her today. Why you dey lose hope? Why you dey feel say hope no dey? Why you feel say your own don finish? Why you feel say God don abandon you? Why you feel say that pikin you no go still born am? Why you feel say your own time don expire? God never neglect his own. Just tell yourself from this day as you dey watch this video, say God, boss lady said, if God can answer Akia Queen Izzy Obede, give her a husband from her engagement to pregnancy, from pregnancy now she's married. If God can answer Izzy Obede, popularly known as Akia Queen, if God can answer Angela Onwusun, if God can answer Angela Onwusun, popularly known as Digital Ogbanje, when they showcase her Ogbanje life on social media, but today God see answer her, then who are you to say your hope is lost? Do you know what matters? Wetin matter be say heaven help those who help themselves. Whatsoever you want, fight for it, work towards it, put God first, and victory must come. No fit say you dey alone, maybe John come, John do e go, Peter come, Peter do e go, Osati come, e do e go, Kingsley come, e do e go, say everybody just dey go, you know say your own never reach. E get one message when there is one video I watched yesterday on Facebook. So we don do, e don tire. Make we so e don take build house, make we so e don take buy land, make we so e don take feed family, make we so e don take buy cars, make we so e don take pay if madam wey carry am come 50 million, make we so e don take do this, make we so e do that. My darling brothers and sisters, especially for the brothers, if really you get that in thought, after all this in message, he say he go advise him fellow men, then I know he was a man, make them go Nigeria, go marry. Like seriously, those girls wey Nigeria the worst pass people in this diaspora. Those girls wey Nigeria, they do worse than this diaspora. When you see, if really na the way una the reasoner, na the way una the thinker, say girl we don't go road, girl we don't fair hustle, girl we do this, girl we do that, and so you use money do this, meaning all in life don't inspire. If really na the way the men they see, and now only men we don't get wisdom, na they think. If na the one that they see, and so it be many women for don't wear pampers. If na the one and the reason and the calculator, and so money we take do this one, meaning body don't finish. If really na so the body they be, say now. If we don't they wear pampers, all girls so you come we don't do that work at all. Therefore don't they wear napkin. Many for not fit dey waka for streets. Many for don't dey bed, not for the comot for house. Many for don't dey bed wet. Oh you want. If really the way you guys are saying it, the way you guys are thinking it, you cannot fake it. There is no two ways about it. If really the way you guys are saying it as a man, say any woman when you don't go olosho work, meaning you don't expire, meaning you na well, meaning you na river, meaning you this, you that. Every women when you don't come this Europe, when you don't work that work in one way or the other, therefore don't they wear pampers, therefore don't they best word for house, therefore don't they do many things nastily when be say man no go feel really they marry any Europe woman again. But if those things doesn't happen, if those things not they on call, my darling brother, wake up. Wake up from your sleep. Not feel say you dey go Nigeria and your Nigerian girls name go good pass. Your Nigerian girl will disappoint you unexpected time. Your Nigerian girl, you go work when you go to carry your boy enter house. How many boys you see when they go carry girl come? You go carry and finish. You go say that you use the money be carry and come. The woman go reach here, you go begin hustle. Yes now. You go enter here, you go say you not come abroad, come silly. You not come marry. You not come born. You not come find money. Then what will you do? The choice is yours. The choice is yours. So my darling people, in case you just they think all those thoughts, I beg take them off your mind. Don't feel say God they sleep. If God can answer Eka, queen of all people, for this social media, if God can answer Angela Onwusu for this social media, believe me, your own time is coming. Just prepare and wait for it. Keep praying. Your prayer must be heard and answered. So now this little advice now come in respect of our beautiful sister Izzy Obede on her marriage ceremony. On this day, I say congratulations to you, darling. I say may God fill your home with many, many more children. As you get this belle, you go born safety. O se wete ade obiene. O ria wete ro ko mori lawa. O be yan gba enu da ba sese e gba loko. Awe ho ene my darling sister ti eke we ga ho. E onu gun ama we ni ya mu de agba kewe. O ga wi e yore, o ga nwa mu me yore, o ga fi we kan to emi ame no ne. Everybody, the world know you pregnant, but God will put your enemies at sleep before the day of your delivery. You will deliver like the Hebrew women. Anything will not distract you. You will have more children in this marriage. You will not enter into a marriage barrier. This marriage shall be the best and sweetest thing all that has ever happened in your life, attached to your children. Once again, I say congratulations and happy married life. Thank you all for joining. Keep supporting the Boss Lady TV. Keep supporting my channel. Keep supporting me, guys. Let's do it together. Let's become more family. Support the Boss Lady TV as well. Thank you all for joining. Stay tuned and stay connected to the Boss Lady TV. Thank you all so much. I love you all for your constant love and support. Bye bye. Keep sharing my video. Share the Boss Lady TV. Thank you all and bye bye.